The way auto-suggest works on Amazon, it's just like works like most search engines. And remember that the Amazon search engine, something called A9 algorithm, is just a really big search engine. That's all Amazon really is. It's just a big search engine for products. So, of course, it's going to have its little hacks, its little loopholes, its little ways that you can suss things out and game the system a little bit. If you've got my Amazon SEO course, you'll know all of those and what the hell they are, including the very, very naughty ones. However, here's a pretty simple one for you. You've seen this before. Home decor A, and that now gives us all of these little things like home decor B gives us all these little things. C gives us all those. Okay, so if you want to find all the search terms that are relative for that particular search, beginning search part, home decor, what you do is you come back, let's start again, and you put an asterisk at the beginning without a space. So home decor starts with the asterisk, and then you go through your A's, and you can see now what it gives you is it gives you the beginning parts as well. So rustic, home decor, family signs for home decor. So they're different levels and different understandings about different search terms. Now, if you want to just do that in a very, very quick way, what I'm going to suggest you use is merchant words, because that's what that does. It gives you all of the auto suggestions along with the number of times that they are searched with a bit of a guess in there. So if we do home decor, for instance, home decor and search, then it's going to return every single search on Amazon that has home decor in it. Every single search on Amazon that's got home decor in it. So the word home decor is searched 1.6 million times per month under some form of derivatives of that, along with everything else, as you can see. So if you want to just fast track that, should I say, just use merchant words. If you want to get merchant words for a super, super cheap price, all you need to do is go to www.merchantwords.com.au/Aussie online entrepreneurs, and you will unlock a big saving of $29 to $29 a month. So I don't get any of that. That all goes to George, who justifiably deserves it. When George says, shall we do a deal for your Aussie online entrepreneurs, he offered me two things. He said, would you like to become an affiliate? You refer people to Merchant Words and get paid. So e.g., you pay full price and I get your discount, or would you like to pass the discount on? And of course I said, let's just pass it on. So that's just your discount, $29 a month. I don't get anything at all for recommending Merchant Words, other than the knowledge that you're using the best software. I just get that, which I think is everything as far as I'm concerned. So feel free to get that. This is all in US dollars as well. US dollar. I don't know why I got into that little accent there. That's from a movie I watched. Let's not even go down that one. Let me give you one more as well, because there's one more thing you can do, which is not as good as Merchant Words, but might be, if you're looking for something, it's keyword tool.io from memory. Is that it? Keyword tool. Aha, it is. Asher, it is. So you can also use this one as well, keywordtool.io. So if I type in home decor, I've got to be on Amazon. Look, it's got all of them. Look, but on Amazon, and then hit that. It's going to give me heaps of different ones as well. Okay. Now it is not as good as Merchant Words by any stretch of the imagination, all right? But that gives you some as well. You just got to sign in. You got to go and create an account to get all that data. I don't have an account, but it gives you some, but not all, of course, because they want you to sign up for Pro. But you're much better off, in my opinion, signing up for Merchant Words. Hope that helps. Hope that helps you out. In US dollars, yes. Okay, cool. And keyword tool is, oh, is it really? Keyword tool Sue says it's bloody expensive. That's actually not the word she used, but she used a much nicer word. But I've inserted that bloody in there. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.